Hi, my name is Brandon. I'm with Precision Mist. Today we're going to go over the details on how to do a spring startup. Alright, so basically where we're going to start at the oil change. We're going to go ahead and remove our oil breather cap. We'll go ahead and get our extractor tube, put that into the crankcase, and go ahead and pump. As you can see, all the oil is coming out, and you'll want to do this every 500 hours or once to twice every season, depending on how frequently you use the unit. And you're going to want to put a recommended general pump oil in the general pump head. And there will be a sight glass on the front of the pump, and that'll tell you exactly where to fill the oil line. Keep in mind, when you do turn the pump on, the oil level will drop because the crank is turning, and that is just fine. So we'll want to make sure we'll be at the line. A tiny bit over is just fine, because it does drop when you turn the pump on. And that's it for the oil change. The next step is going to be to go ahead and change out the filter, and we're going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so the next step that we're going to want to do is clean the nozzles. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the nozzle cleaning solution, we're going to put it into this tub here, and there's a trick to this. And basically some say that if you heat this up, or if you get it a little bit warm, the solution actually helps break down the calcium on the nozzle. So we're going to put it in there with the nozzle cleaning solution. We're going to shake that up and basically leave this in here for the next 15-20 minutes or so. Okay, so this is going to be a deep cleaning process. So this basically is going to show you how to use our nozzle tools here. And one of our nozzle tools, which is the orange one, is a shallow socket for the tip of the nozzle, and this one's a deeper socket for the lower housing of the nozzle. And we're just going to kind of give it a turn to open up the nozzle, and that's what the great thing about these is you can get to the impeller and the Viton ball to clean it. The regular standard nozzle, you can't get in there and clean the impeller, so this is a huge bonus to get inside of the nozzle and clean it out the best that you can when you do get those clogs. So this one looks pretty clean, so we're going to go ahead and tighten that back up, and it's ready to reinstall. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and finish up the spring system startup. We're going to flush the lines. You know, over the winter time you may get spider web spiders inside the line set and the orifice, so we're going to flush all that stuff out if it is in there, and then we'll go ahead and pressurize the system.